First, prepare tools include ruler, mark pen, antenna, electric drill and abrasive paper. Power off the machine and open the door. Along the first bolt at the top of door, find the middle position, mark a circle with diameter of 12 mm. Use electric drill to drill hole at the marked position. If you don't have drill bit of 12 mm in hand, please carefully enlarge the hole by using thinner drill bit. Clean the scraps from machine. Use abrasive paper to remove burr inside of the machine. Insert the antenna to the hole. Ensure the hole can fit antenna. Then follow KioVend peripheral installation video to complete antenna installation.